Welcome dear friends, in this video we will solve MCQs based preliminary test for CSS 2025 conducted by FPSC on 17 November 2024. What does the expression play it by ear mean? Decide what to do as the situation develops. What does the phrasal expression fight shy of mean? To avoid or hesitate to engage with something. What does the idiom by the skin of one's teeth mean? Only just or by a very narrow margin. What does the idiom clutch at straws mean? Make a desperate attempt using unlikely means. What does metanoia most nearly mean? A profound change of mind or heart. Which word is closest in meaning to quiescent? Dormant. Which sentence is grammatically correct? The new policy has been implemented, but it has not been communicated to the staff. Which sentence has the best parallel structure? Option D. The company values innovation, teamwork, and risk-taking. Which Urdu proverb best conveys the meaning of nearer the church, farther from God? Charaf tale andhera. When the same number x is added to both terms of the ratio 7:13, it becomes 2:3. What is x? 5. इसको हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं कि दो रेशोज है, एक 7 है, एक 13 है. अब 7 और 13 के साथ जब हम x को ऐड करें तो हमारे साथ जो दूसरी रेशो बन जाती है दैट इज 2:3. तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं कि 7 + x डिवाइड बाई 13 + x. ये एक रेशो हो गई, ये इक्वल हो जाती है दूसरे रेशो की दैट इज 2/3. तो इसको जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे x के लिए तो x हमारे पास आ जाएगा 5. व्हाट डज द इडियम emit smoke from 7 orifices mean? To be extremely angry. What does the expression the carrots are cooked mean? The situation is hopeless or beyond remedy. Which correction fixes the subject-verb agreement error in the sentence? The new employee along with the rest of the team were responsible for project's failure. Change were to was. What does as clear as dumpling broth mean? Completely unclear or confusing. Which option is closest in meaning to scraggly, spindly and untidy? What does it mean to shoot from the hip? To act or speak impulsively without careful thought. Which sentence correctly uses the verb recommend? The report recommends adopting a new policy. The ratio of boys to girls in a school is 9:5. If there are 1050 students, how many are boys? 675. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस जब हम सॉल्व करते हैं तो हम रेशो को देखते हैं. इसमें एक रेशो है और उसमें फिगर्स हैं 9 और 5. तो हम 9 और 5 को जब सम करेंगे तो वो 14 हो जाएगा. मतलब टोटल पार्ट्स हमारे पास 14 बनेंगे. 1050 को हम 14 से डिवाइड करेंगे और फिर जो लड़कों का हिस्सा है दैट इज़ 9, उस 9 के साथ हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे साथ जो आंसर आ जाएगा वो होंगे हमारे पास बॉयज़ कि कितने बॉयज़ है इसमें. तो जब हम ये कैलकुलेशन करें 9 डिवाइड बाई 14 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 1050 तो हमारे साथ आंसर आ जाएगा 675. Which sentence most clearly expresses the intended idea? Option A. The crisis in Gaza has divided European Union between idealistic young people and politically cautious leaders, prompting renewed debate about the relationship between state and religion. Which word is best antonym of egregious when it means outstandingly bad? Commendable. Which word is closest in meaning to catacomb? Crypt. What does 40 wings mean? A short nap. If x equals -4x plus 4, what is the value of x? That is 4/5. What does the expression to sell wolf tickets mean? To talk tough without backing it up with action. Which person is the clearest opposite of a solipsist? An altruist. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.